I'm so sleep deprived. It's a very big opportunity because I'm representing India. Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're getting away because I'm whispering a little bit. But I am on my way to Cochin right now, which is home, but still. I'm on my way to Cochin right now and flights will be on my way again. So yeah, we have taken off and I'm so excited. This is the second flight I've been taking. The first flight was from Bangkok and now back to Cochin, which has been Korea. And from Cochin it's been from South. I am so excited to go again because for sure was so much fun. And this time it's going to be from parts of Korea that I've never been. So I'm so excited. The schedule so it's very cool. I thought I would always experience sunrise and everything, and I'd experience it. So guys, finally it's time that we're landing. It's currently 1 o'clock according to Hong Kong time. I guess it's around 3 o'clock in Korea. So we're finally landing. So guys, this is my room. I love this painting. The best part about this room is that it has French aesthetics, which I love. Look at this. Wow. Yay. This is my favorite coffee machine. Woohoo. Look at this. This is so pretty. Can you see this? This is so nice. There's so many artworks and this is so cool. Wow. Yay, what's up? So happy to be back in Seoul and Korea. Yay. Honestly, it feels so good to be back. And last time when I came to Seoul and Incheon, it was like summer spring weather, but this time it's winter. It's really cold outside. Like it is 9 degrees outside, so it's very cold. But the best part is we love winter clothes, we love layering stuff. So yeah, I'm going to change now into some winter clothes because clearly these will not work. I just came from 35 degrees in Mumbai to 9 degrees and it's gonna go down like it. I saw the weather forecast और उसमें दिखा है कि it will go down to 1 -1. It's really cold. Good morning guys. This is my breakfast today. Hi guys, good morning. It is my day 2 in Seoul and we arrived yesterday. I actually came to the hotel and after that we went for a walk and we were just roaming around exploring the place because you know, this is a different place than we were last time. So it's near to the same area, I guess. But yeah, I saw the Namsan Tower also from the road and it was super cold. It was almost 2 degrees. last night. It was so cold. And now I just got ready. This is my makeup station. I just got ready. I have to do little more things, but I'm gonna go change and I'm gonna take you through my day in Seoul. Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Anushka Sen, and this is my second time in Seoul. The first time I was here, I came here in May, June. It was a wonderful time. We are all family. Asia Lab is my family now, and I'm just so thrilled to see so many different, kinds of people in one room, because people are from Thailand, Malaysia, India, Korea. It's just an honor to be here. I hope we all can have some fun and have a great film. Let's work really hard and also enjoy at the same time. Thank you so much. Hi guys, what's up? I know I couldn't vlog almost half of the day because it was something that we couldn't reveal, but right now it's 11 p.m. in Seoul and I had dinner like hours back, and now I was craving for some ice cream and some Korean snacks, and this is what I got. It's a lot of it and it's so heavy and so full that this is almost tearing. So I am so happy right now. It's 5 degrees, so cold. Ice cream with 5 degrees at 11 p.m. What a vibe. It is so beautiful inside, guys, and I have not given you a clue. This is the 19th floor. It's a very nice hotel. Like, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये hotel because it's very beautiful. I just realized मैंने कितने दिन बाद हिंदी बोला. because यहाँ पे like आधे लोग इंग्लिश भी नहीं बोलते, so ट्रांसलेटर ही बात करता है, and जो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं वो मतलब टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, तो उनको समझाना पड़ता है. But it's so funny और सब लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, very warm. Like नए लोगों को मिलके भी ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि they are new or I am new. They don't make me feel like a tourist, which is so nice. Like y'all should definitely, like when y'all see the vlog, you will understand how sweet they are. So now I should go inside. This is my room, 1903. Guys, I just realized कि 1903 को आप अगर पूरा calculate करो तो it's number 4, which is me. And we're back. Whew, it's such a relief to be back because बाहर बहुत ठंड है. And here automatically you can get like this blush. इसे red हो जाता है सब कुछ because it's so cold and it's very windy. And so I'm gonna give you guys a recap for what happened today because I could not vlog that thing. तो आज हम actually जहाँ गए थे वो हमारा ऑफिस था. It was नहीं कहीं रह नहीं रहा है. 1 second, it's all falling. Okay. So आज हम लोग जहाँ गए थे वो एक्चुअली ऑफिस था जहाँ पे हम सब लोग मिल के फर्स्ट टाइम जो एक्टर्स हैं of the film, all the people who don't know that why I'm in Korea or why I came also previously. Last time when I came here for the discussion of a film called Asia, and fortunately I'm a part of it. And it's a very big opportunity because I'm representing India. Now that was the recap. Secondly, when I came here last time, I shot a series here which was called God of Travel, and we also did some discussion based on the film that we are planning for. इस बार हम आके आज स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग कर रहे थे, कैरेक्टर डिस्कशंस, कॉस्ट्यूम्स, हम एक दूसरे को जान रहे थे जितने और एक्टर्स हैं. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द फिल्म एशिया इज दैट इट हैज़ all kinds of like diverse people across Asia, and I'm working with some actors from Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, so many other races. So I'm just so glad that I've got this opportunity because I met new people. I'm working with new people, and I just had a very good time. I couldn't record it there, but I do have some pictures which I will share in this video so that you can see with the team and everything. So that was pretty much today's recap. वो किया हमने, and then we also went to like a small get together. We had like a little get together party. We had some good food and took pictures, had fun. और उसके बाद हम लोग होटल आए, and I was like, कितना मज़ा आएगा ना अगर हम लोग ठंडी में आइसक्रीम खाएं. I mean, how can that be not cool? और Korean desserts or Korean ice creams, Korean snacks are like the best. There's this like ice cream cake thing, like wo, it's an ice cream cake thing basically. It's ice cream but it's like a sandwich ice cream. It's so good and I love it. But वो मैं एक चीज़ लेने गई थी. Obviously there were so many other things, so I just bought all of it. And there's these packed iced coffees, different flavors from Starbucks, which I love Starbucks. And then there's other kind of coffees and everything. So it was really nice. A very good day. Tomorrow is a hectic day as well. Tomorrow we have some interviews lined up and meetings lined up, and I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow. But no matter how tiring the day is gonna be or is, I will never get tired here because I just love my work. I love that I'm getting all of these opportunities jahan I can not only represent myself but actually represent our country, India. It's a very proud moment, not only for me but where हम लोग सब Indians, मेरे जितने भी fans हैं सबने कितना अप्रिशिएट किया है, कितना सपोर्ट दिया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग जितना भी हो सके, विच इज़ नॉट कॉन्फिडेंशियल. आई विल रिकॉर्ड इट and I'll keep sharing instances with you guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go have ice cream. Hi guys, good morning. I'm having coffee right now. I'm so sleep deprived, like so sleep deprived, but does not matter because I'm very happy. So right now it's around 9 a.m. and we are going to a salon. So guys, हम लोग सैलेड खा रहे हैं. इसमें मूंग दाल है, मूंग दाल.
자, 연출팀 가이드 한번 설게요.
Hey Genie, turn off all the lights.
Full room light is turned off.